MGM guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can sell your hot. Yes, I'm going to be showing you how to do so. A lot of you participated in mining this hot, and people have been wondering. In fact, you've even been hearing that hot is currently trading in pre-market, they are buying it at so price, they are doing this. But then you've been wondering, how can you yourself even sell your own hot? How can you send or receive it? So if I tap on this my hot balance here, as you can see, this is my own hot account. Now let's tap on this claim and claim the hot for the day. You can see this is the balance here. This balance is about 93 hot, but you notice that you cannot send out this your hot. For you to be able to sell, you need to be able to transfer your hot. And currently there's no transfer button here, but you need to be able to transfer it to someone that is going to buy from you. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, for you to be able to do this, you need two things. You first of all need the secret recovery phrase or the seed phrase of this your hot wallet, and then you need an external application. So follow me carefully, just follow the steps that I'm going to be showing you in this video. The first thing you want to do is to tap at the top of your screen here. Look at this settings button. You tap on the top of this your screen here. Once you tap on it, you come over to this your security section. Once you tap on security section, you go over to this your seed phrase and privacy. Very important. You tap on it and make sure that this your seed phrase, you don't reveal it to anybody. This seed phrase is meant only for you. So once I continue now, my seed phrase is going to be displaying on my screen. For some of you that want to steal my balance, you people have done it a lot of the times when I make mistake and review my seed phrase. So that mistake is not happening in this video again. Sorry. It's not happening here again. So you tap to open it and you copy your seed phrase, and then I'm going to go back here. Once you go back, the next thing you need to do now is to now download the external application that you are going to be using. But before we proceed, guys, I do drop most of my airdrop updates on X, that is formerly Twitter, even before making videos on them. So go and follow me on X. Search for this profile here, Tonio's Tech. Follow me there. And again, if you want to learn about crypto or you want to learn about Web3, you want to know the different ways you can make money on it and anything at all, you can send me a DM right now. And you have two options. You can DM me for a one-on-one consultation whereby I get to put you through, or you could decide to take my 6-week class. I'm going to be hosting a 6-week class starting from 9th of September next month. It's not free, but it's affordable. It's less than the money that you spend on data in a day. And let me tell you, learning is very important. If you don't learn, you are going to be dabbling. It happened to me. I was dabbling around in the space for complete 3 years doing crypto. I was losing money. I was not making any money. Not until I decided to start learning. So those experiences are what I've gathered, and it's what is helping me today to bring me to where I am. If you want to assess my brain, you want to assess my head and know what I did, maybe I'm not okay with your life, you want to upgrade to the next level, then yes, this class is for you. I won't tell you to go and learn online because, truth be told, most of the informations you need, they are online. There are videos on YouTube, there are videos on TikTok, there are videos on social media platforms everywhere. But the problem is that you are not disciplined enough to get this information. Yes, I know you very well, more than you yourself. You are not disciplined enough to get this information. You are going to, well, maybe after you watch this video, you feel motivated and then you go do some little bit of research. After a couple of days, you give up. It has happened to you before and it will keep happening again. That is how you have been doing over the years. So this time around, I'm going to hold your hand and drag you there to show you the way. And all what you are doing is paying me a token that is not even up to the amount you spend on sub. So if you're interested, my DM is open. If you're not interested, you can find your way. And that is basically it. Now let's proceed with the main video here. Now I've switched over to my next phone to continue this. So on this page now, this app is available both on App Store and it's available on Play Store. And for those of you that are on my Telegram channel, you'll notice that I have already dropped this update for you guys to sign up on. So if you're watching this video right now, use the referral link or the referral code that are going to be seen on this screen while you're signing up. Or you can also copy it from the description box of this video if you're watching from YouTube. So once you come here, use your search bar. Like I've said, it's available for both iOS and Android. You search for Near Mobile, then you go ahead and install the app. I don't have it installed here on this phone, but I have it installed on my other phone. So I'm going to go ahead and install it for the first time. After doing the installation, the next thing you want to do is to now open up the app. So once you open up the app, what you want to do, instead of clicking on this create wallet button, what you need to do is to create on this import. So once you click on the import, the next thing you want to do is to enter your mnemonic. It's called seed phrase popularly, but unpopularly it's called mnemonic. So just click on this enter. This is where the seed phrase that you copied from your hot wallet comes in. So you can see the seed phrase is 12. And if you check your hot wallet seed phrase, it's also 12. So you come here and then you paste in the seed phrase one by one. I'm going to pause my screen now and paste in my seed phrase. So I have successfully put in my seed phrase. Once your seed phrase is correct, you are going to proceed to the next page. But if your seed phrase is not correct, you receive an error message. So after receiving the error message, you have to check again to see if everything you've done is done successfully. Now this is where the referral code comes in. You paste in the code that you're going to get from the description box for this video, or the one you're seeing on this my screen here. So I'm going to go ahead and type it in. The code is 0, then I'm going to put a capital V, another 0, then a capital C, a capital Z, and a capital Q. All right, this is it. Then the next thing I want to do is to tap on continue. As you can see, your referral code has been successfully validated. I'm going to tap on proceed, and then this is where I get to set my pin. For this pin, I'm just going to be using 3333. If you like, ram this pin. After all, get access to my phone, and after December, I'm changing it for those of you that are scammers. Now, continue, and you can see I have successfully imported it. So you registered with a valid referral code. You need to verify your account, blah blah blah. I won't be doing this for now. Let me just skip. So as you can see, this is my screen here. I have successfully imported. Now if you look below, you are going to see that hot is here. Look at hot, and my balance is 93, which is what you were seeing initially on my hot balance. If I tap on this send button here, you can see I am now able to send my hot. Currently it is worth $0. Yes, that is because hot is not listed yet, so don't expect something big from it. It's not listed yet. Now if you tap on send, you'll be able to send this your hot to anybody at all. Yes, you'll be able to send it to anybody. For instance, I am already buying hot, so if you want to send right now, you want to sell, you can send me a DM. I have not checked the price yet, so I can't directly tell you the price in this video, but after this video I'm going to go ahead and check it. So if you want to send, you can put in 10%, 25%, 50% maximum, that is all. Or you can put in the balance manually and do the sending, and then this is where you get to put in the wallet address that is going to be given to you, and that is basically it. And in case, don't miss this airdrop. Yes, this is an airdrop on its own that we're currently mining. That is why the referral code was even needed and the whole thing. Near is the blockchain that Hot is trying to list on. So Near now has now decided to create their own Near wallet, their own Near mobile. And the reason why they are doing this airdrop is as a marketing strategy, just to create awareness. If they don't do airdrop now, me and you know that you will not download their mobile app. So that is why they do it, so that people will get to hop on the app and start using it for transactions and some other stuff. So yes, hop on this right now, get the airdrop. It's going to be ending next month. So on this page, I saw a swap button. You can see this is swap. I can decide to tap on this swap right now, and then it's going to take me to this dex.reh where you can do swapping on this page. But I won't advise you to do this. Yes, it is not confirmed yet and it can be risky, and due to the fact that hot, I don't think hot is going to display here, but if it displays at all, since hot is not yet listed, it does not have a value. You might end up swapping your token and then you're not getting anything. But if I find anything new, I'm still going to be making a video on that. So that will basically mean that stay glued on this page, turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. YouTube is going to notify you that a new video has been uploaded. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, stay tuned and pay attention for updates. And that is basically it. See you in the next video, guys.